Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Bro. Hope you guys having great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you reset your password in Spotify 2024. So to reset your password, at first you need to open a browser. So I'm going to open Google browser. Now just search for Spotify changed password. Just simply search for it. And after searching for it, go to the first website, change your Spotify password, click on it. Now after entering here, you can just log in with your Gmail or Facebook ID. I just logged in with my Gmail, and after that you need to just give your current password and your new password, and after that you need to just repeat your new password here and just click on set new password. And after clicking set new password, your password will be reset on Spotify. So guys, that's how you can change your password on Spotify in 2024. Hope you guys find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Bro. Thank you very much for watching the video.